dark, snowing, barely can see. 90 degrees. It's cloudy, sunny. Yeah, pure Michigan. It's kind of cool working for the power company. The local GM dealership brought over one of the new electric Hummers for us to check out. It's pretty sick. I don't know that white would work very well with me and my grubby hands, especially on the interior, but no, it's pretty cool. Very neat. It's pretty cool. It's always funny to me how the LED lights show up on video, but they're just playing with the different settings on the dash. And I was just in it when he did like the little crab walk thing with it, which was pretty wicked. So you can see the tires actually counter turn from each other, make it feel like it has an extremely small turning radius for such a long vehicle. Which is kind of neat. But then if you press the twist the buttons on the dash, you can put it in this like crab walk mode, which is kind of weird. I don't know what you'd actually ever use it for, but it's still interesting to see. Kind of strange. Kind of crazy. So I guess I need to start filming these. So my dad is, I love him, but he's at the age where I feel like now that he's retired, he does nothing but sit around and come up with more projects for me to do. Well, I'm already working a full-time job, right? But he's constantly got something going on. He's always getting himself into something. So today I get a call. I'm at work. It's whatever, I don't know, 2:15 or something. And he's like, well, I got a situation over here. I'm going to need your help. Like, again. So last week it was a garage door. And anyway, then it was a boat. And I guess we'll see what we get into today. I haven't been filming these interactions. But I probably should. They're probably like America's Funniest Home Video gold, I swear. So anyway, apparently he had a flat tire on his tractor, because he's always doing something with his tractor, driving it around, screwing around, and apparently he ran over something. He's got a flat tire in his tractor. He's gonna change the flat tire on his tractor, and then apparently the lug nut's stripped out, can't get it on, can't get it off. I don't know what he's got going on. So I grabbed some tools, some like, you know, strip lug nut tools and rethreading stuff, and I guess we'll go see what we're gonna get into. Wish me luck. What got screwed up today? No threads.
The lug nut for there.
Oh boy. I can hear air leaking. Oh, that's out of your gun. Yeah. So, I guess we'll see if I got a tap that size and see if we can rethread his hub.
Here's the one that's got to go in there. So.
If there's any meat left or not. In other words, it's going to be like helicoil or tap it to a bigger size. So I have this thread restoration kit that I got from Mac, and it's the 9/16 fine thread is what matches our wheel studs, nuts, whatever, lug bolts. So I used the die, cleaned off a couple of the wheel bolts, and then we're using the tap portion and trying to run through and clean up the threads, see if we can find any threads left in that hub. So it's yeah, work in progress. All right, so we ran the tap through the hub there, ran the die through all the wheel bolts, got them all threading in and out real nice. Problem solved on that issue. Then we moved his old hot rod out away from the wall, And yeah, anyway, today's problems are fixed. No promises on what he'll get into tomorrow, but yeah, anyway, Mom's sending me home with a big old chunk of German chocolate cake, so for now I win. And so now, since I'm, pretty lazy and don't really like doing stuff. Oh wait, and we got snow today ish, flurries in the air. It's probably time to swap on the factory wheels and winter tires. Ugh, yuck. I don't know that I'm ready for this, but it's got to be done. So how do those guys do it? Is it like this?